that, news from Uttar Pradesh now. Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi will kickstart party campaign in Uttar Pradesh with a Pad Yatra from Deoria. Rahul Gandhi, we understand, will embark on the 2,500-kilometer long Kisan Yatra. Right, so that's the latest that we are getting for you from the state of Uttar Pradesh, where, remember, after an exile of about 27 years, Congress aims to get back to power in politically the most important state in the country, Uttar Pradesh. And in fact, all the states are gearing up because it is going to be battleground Uttar Pradesh that will be the focus now. And we understand that now, to start campaigning, Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi will be embarking on a 2,500 kilometer Kisan Yatra, which will be starting from Deoria in Uttar Pradesh, and it will be starting from today. It will be starting from September 6th, and of course it's a campaign to secure the rights of the poor, farmers and laborers. And this is what Rahul Gandhi's official Twitter account said earlier. This is Gandhi's office said in a tweet earlier. My yatra from Deoria to Delhi starting September 6th is a campaign to secure the rights of the poor, farmers and laborers in government resources. Let's go across to Prashant now, who will be tracking this for us. Prashant, tell us what is expected today, and in terms of number of people, the crowds who will be, possibly coming in to support Rahul Gandhi. What more are we expecting?
Well, as of now, we are standing at Rudrapur school field, where Rahul Gandhi is expected to come shortly. He was scheduled to land here at 10:30 a.m., but he hasn't landed yet, so we can expect him to land anytime soon. And the spot where we are standing, as you can see behind me, the stage is all set for a Khat Chaupal, as they say. And a lot of farmers would be coming in, as the Congress Party and the managing members here are saying they're expecting somewhere around 20 to 30,000 people, and the arrangements have been made for that number of people. But even as we speak, and just with an hour to go for the program, we cannot see much crowd, and the number of media personnel are more than the number of crowd here, so you can understand the kind of sentiments here. But as I said, the moment Rahul Gandhi lands, because people here in villages are very used to watching the helicopter and they love watching it, so they may be there at the helipad, and the moment Rahul Gandhi comes here and enters this field, the crowd is expected to grow more.